Hi, welcome to another episode of 2 Minutes on Tuesday. I'm Sam Miller of RE/MAX Stars Realty. This week we're going to keep it short because this is Thanksgiving week, so I'll bring you the best I've got for the moment. I'll begin by saying Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have a great holiday and get to spend time with family and friends. The real estate business is blowing up with activity. And if you follow any of our social media accounts, you've been seeing we've been selling houses like crazy. And so prices obviously are still very strong and inventory's moving really quick. Houses, the good clean houses that are priced right are selling within days. So the market's booming. So a couple things to mention, one of which is I'm really looking for a couple fixer-upper homes for contractors. This is the time of year where contractors want to work indoors as the cold weather arrives. And so if you know someone who's got a house that is just sitting empty and they're not using, and they're basically going to sell it, and they wanted to maybe fix it up themselves and sell it, but they just don't have the time to do it. If the price is right, we've got some contractors, builders that are looking for projects to work on over the winter so they can work indoors and not outside in the cold. So if you know of someone or if you have something like that, give us a call. Might be able to work out a quick sale for you and make that property go away. Also, if you're a landlord and you've got a tenant getting ready to move out and you were thinking about re-renting it, you may want to rethink that and sell it. And the reason is, of course, obviously, most people, when they have rental properties, they do it for the investment purpose with the idea to either make monthly cash flow or with the idea that they're going to buy it, let the tenant pay the payment until they get a lot of equity in the property. And then when the values of the homes are up, then they're going to sell that property and cash out. Well, might be a good time. There's not many houses for sale right now. There's under 40 houses available right now to buy in all of Knox County, according to the Knox County MLS. So if you have a vacancy getting ready to come up, give us a call, 740-397-7800. And we're happy to come out, take a look at the property, give you an idea of what it could sell for in the current market. And also, if you haven't, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting out more and more content each week. These videos are also going on YouTube. And there may be a point where we're exclusively putting the videos on YouTube with all the changes that are taking place with the different social media platforms. So definitely I'll put a link in the comment section below to our account and would love it if you would subscribe to our channel. So happy Thanksgiving. Look forward to coming back to you next week. And as always, if you have questions, give us a call, 740-397-7800. I'm Sam Miller, RE/MAX Stars Realty. I'll come back to you next week with another episode of 2 Minutes on Tuesday. Have a good one. Happy holidays. Bye.